In this video, I want to demonstrate a method that I use for getting my wheels up off of the ramps when I'm using my 4-post lift. So like a brake job where I need my wheels up in the air, but I'd also like the car up in the air for a more comfortable working height. Show you what I do. So this beam right here, this going across, that's the thing that I put my 2x4 across to distribute the weight. You can see here, it's a pretty strong location where it's connecting into the body of the car, and it's like that on both sides. So I think this is a safe place to evenly distribute the weight. If anybody knows different, let me know in the comments, but it seems to work well for me. So with my lift at its lowest lock position for safety, I position the floor jacks, put the board there, and then eyeball it real careful, make sure I'm lined up real good. And then I just simply lower the car onto those jacks. Now my wheels are off the ground. So now I'll put some wood blocks up under here and then lift the ramp back up and my car will be in the air. So with my wood blocks in place, so they're gonna match up to the jack points, I'll go ahead and lift the ramp and it'll set the car down on those lift points. Here's where I use the front lift point, right on the very back edge of the front pan there. You can see before it gets into the black underplating, right at the edge of the gray frunk. Along that edge seems to be strong enough. Distributing the weight with a board, I wouldn't put a jack stand up against it directly, but it seems to work. Okay, so it's up in the air at the height that's easy to work on. And I got wood blocks on the front wheels so that I can try to keep it from rolling on me. I got both sides blocked on the passenger side. And that's just an easy way to get the car up in the air. If you've got a 4-post lift, you probably own a set of jack stands. So it's a no-cost way of getting your tires off the back wheels on your 4-post. Hope this video was helpful.